you can easily recover your Gmail account. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your web browser and search for Gmail recovery. Once you do that, you can see different kind of links right here. You want to go to this account support, just tap on it. And here you just have to enter your email address. So once you do that, just tap on next and it will take you to a page where you have to verify. So just tap on continue. It will ask you for your biometrics, but if you don't have that enabled, what you can do is try another way. And here you can tap on, let's say if you don't have access to your password or your recovery email, just tap on try another way to sign in. And it will ask your phone to do it. But let's say if you don't even have this, what you can do is go back and try another way. So here you have an option to send a verification code to your phone number. But even if you don't have that, you can just tap on another way to sign in, and it will Google will send you an email. So within 72 hours, you can check your spam or junk folders, and there you will see a reset link, password reset link, and from there you can reset your password and recover your account. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.